Namaste everyone, welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev and today we're going to do yoga for liver. So let's begin. Start with your feet. Stretch your feet out. And then one by one, bend your knee to go into Vajrasana. Knee together and you're sitting on the feet. Bring your hands onto your knee, close your eyes and sit quietly for a while. Vajrasana, very important pose. You can sit in this position for about between 30 seconds to 1 minute, or longer if you have more time, and if you enjoy, of course. You're going to do Yoga Mudra. Inhale, extend your arms up, stand upward all the way, and with exhale, bend forward. Forehead down. And you can stay in this position again for between 30 seconds to 1 minute. You can also take your hand by the side if it's more convenient, easier. "30 seconds to 1 minute. Come back up. And we're going to do Mandukasana. Really amazing pose. So for that, you make fists of your hands. Bring it either side of your navel. Tuck in slightly. Inhale. And with exhale, bend forward. Let your hand gently move inside your stomach to give a nice massage under there. Keep adjusting if you need, and rest your forehead on the ground. Stay for between 30 seconds to 1 minute again, or longer if you have time. After 30 seconds to 1 minute, come back. And we're going to do another Yoga Mudra. So sit on your sitting bones, stretch your legs out. You have to be able to do the lotus for that. So make the lotus, right foot onto the left thigh, left foot onto the right thigh. Then there are two ways. Either you can take your hand and hold your big toe of the both legs this way, and then you would exhale and go down, rest your forehead onto the ground, and you would stay in this position for between 30 seconds to 1 minute. But if this one is too hard for you, then you can simply bring your hands up and with exhale bend forward, resting your head on the ground. Exactly same way, except your hands are stretching out. Rest there. 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, come back. And then lie down on the abdomen. Rest in Makarasana for a while. An excellent pose, not only for liver but also for your back issues. You may rest in this position between 5 minutes to 10 minutes, depending on how tired you're feeling after those poses. So do what is easy and comfortable in your body. After that, we do the Cobra. So bring your hands under your shoulder. Check that hands should be right under the shoulder. Feet gonna be hip width apart. Forehead down. And push with your hands. Lift your head up, shoulders up, chest up, and arch your back. And you want to rest, relax your shoulders, and tuck your elbows by the side as much as you can. Head doesn't have to be too far up, you can look forward. Stay again 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, come down. And you can again go into the Makarasana and rest in this pose. And then you will do Dhanurasana. So bend your knees, forehead down, hold your ankles. Then inhale, lift your head up, legs up, with everything up, standing on your abdomen. Keep your breathing normal, do not choke. 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, come down and rest again in Makarasana. And then turn around, lie on your back. Keep your feet together, hands by the side, bending your right knee, holding with your left hand and dropping your right knee to the left. Looking to the right, you may also take your hand too far straight forward. Stay there, 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, come back, changing your leg. Bend your left knee, hold with your right hand, dropping your left knee to the right, and look to the left. And after 30 seconds, come back to the center, stretch your legs out, and You may rest in Savasana for a few seconds before we go into another pose, the last pose for your liver. We're going to do Kandharasana. So for that you're going to bend your knees close to your buttocks. Bring your hands on the ground, palm flat. Tuck your chin slightly to the chest. Then inhale, push your hips upward. Push up all the way so that your shoulders begin to stand on the ground, touch the ground. Your chin touches the chest. If you are easy in this pose, you may want to interlock a finger. Push your hands into the ground and lift up all the way. If you can do this pose easily, comfortably, you can also take your hand and bring on your back. That will give nice deep stretch onto your back, therefore massaging your abdominal organs. And if you can't support your back, you can keep your hands interlocked. 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, come back. And rest in Shavasana for as long as you want, between 5-10 minutes. So these are the simple, easy exercises that you can practice and keep your liver, not only heal your liver, but also will keep your liver healthy and active. So practice them and let me know if you have any questions, comments, and keep me posted. Thank you very much for joining me at Yoga with Amit, and I hope to see you in the next video. Namaste. If you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe and click on this bell icon and stay tuned.